enemy remaining.
This is the moment of the video, guys. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very fun and super interesting, guys. And it's weekend, right? I was in no mood of making like the usual videos that I regularly do. And that is why I have planned like a special gameplay video for you people. And as you can see, I didn't even go to my office today. It's my home. And by the way, you guys never saw my home, right? So let me know if you guys are interested in a home tour video and I'll definitely do that. Let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, as I've told you, I was testing a laptop for review. And for the same thing, I thought of playing Valorant and a couple of other games for the testing purpose. And to make it a bit more interesting, I thought of calling my sister also to do these gameplay benchmarks because she has actually never played Valorant, guys. And I thought this will be like much more interesting and fun if I give the whole rig to her and see how she handles the game. So this is actually what happened in the morning. Yo, bro!
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm getting dressed. What are you doing?
Nothing, just a small video. Oh. Acha, come na, let's play a game.
Which game?
Valorant.
Valorant?
You know PUBG and Fortnite, right?
Yeah, I've played that.
It's similar to that only. Oh. Come, let's have fun.
Okay.
Okay guys, now we are all ready to get started. I'll be giving this laptop to my sister and she'll be playing the Valorant game for the very first time. And this is going to be like super fun. So let's start the game. By the way, we'll play an unrated match. That would be better. See, in this unrated match now, you have like 13 rounds and you'll have to win with the help of your teammates. So you also have like a spike and something like that in the game.
Oh.
Start.
So, where's my controller?
Are you kidding me? This is Valorant. You'll have to play with the mouse and keyboard the OG way.
What? I never played it that way.
Thing is, she used to mostly play PUBG on her phone or maybe on, PS5 Fortnite. Yeah. So she's not used to playing with, keyboard and mouse.
Like, but, are you serious? Now I have to play with keyboard?
Yeah, game doesn't support joystick. So you'll have to play like this only.
Oh my god.
It's not that difficult, it's very easy. See, using your mouse now, you can control the gun, the aim, and you can fire also using the cursor buttons. And using WASD, you can just do the character movement. Yeah, very simple. Spacebar is for jump and you've got some special abilities. Each character in this game has like a special ability and you'll get to choose a characters also in a moment. We're still waiting, we're in queue.
Match found.
Yeah, match found, guys.
Chalo.
Okay, now you'll need to choose your character.
Okay.
Now I didn't play this game much, guys. That's why I couldn't unlock lots of characters in it. You'll have to adjust with whatever I have.
Who's
what do
this?
we have? We got Jet. We have Sage also.
Tell me. Jet or Sage?
Choose Jet. Or maybe, yes, somebody lock in.
Jet.
Let's go.
Okay. By the
What's
way,
her special power then?
I'll tell you. But by the way, guys, who's your favorite character in this game? Let me know in the comment section down below. And we've got a Hokage in our team. Yeah! Match is starting. I'm very excited for this. I've told you now how to play Valorant.
Yes.
You got like an idea, right?
Yes.
Stay with the team because you're a newbie, especially. She has never played the game. I hope our, teammates help us out. Okay, we're in the game.
Who are you?
Your teammate.
Hi.
You keep playing the game. By the way, guys, the laptop which we are playing, I can't tell you the specs because as I've told you, I'm currently testing it out. You'll get to know about the laptop in my review, which will be coming very soon on the channel. And if you just ask about the configuration, that I can tell you. This laptop is like powered by Intel's i7 11th Gen i7 and paired with RTX 3060 GPU, has like 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB SSD, guys. So yeah, that is what we'll see how the game performs on this current trip.
What's this?
I didn't see. Okay, game and match has started. Where are you? Why are you separated from your teammates?
I don't know. They left me.
Acha, theek hai. Go join. Regroup with them. Come on. Hey, that was actually not bad. But still you died. No problem. You're a newbie. I can understand. So that is how you need to react, whenever you see enemies. Not bad. Not bad. But see, don't stay still at one position. Yes. Keep jumping, keep crouching, do something.
Otherwise, was the point I lost there.
Yeah. You can press.
What's that?
Toxins going up.
I don't know what that ability is called, but it's a character special ability. And by the way, you can use this left control button to crouch down.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, look at his skill.
So
He
these,
planted something and he
Screen down.
yeah, so these are our teammates playing currently. You were the first to die. Oh, not bad. He's killing. He's
One
killing.
enemy
Yo,
remaining.
what's your name? I'll speak
Spike
to you
down
next
A.
time.
30 seconds left.
Not bad. He's playing with a pistol only.
My dude's pretty lit.
We actually won this match.
I won.
Nice.
Okay.
All thanks to our teammates.
Sky.
Second match, round 2.
Hokage, don't leave me.
Hokage. Oh man.
Count me in. Canteen. Pump.
Come on, let's go. We have like 10 seconds. Pick your partner, stay with him, stick with him.
Someone stay with me.
Go behind them.
I'm following you.
Hey, not bad. I thought you would be like much worse handling keyboard and mouse, but you're doing fine. Okay, match has started.
Enemy spotted B.
Enemy spotted.
Reloading.
They've already scanned you.
No. Don't scare.
Keep moving the mouse. Keep looking left and right. So you'll be like alert.
I'm jumping.
Jumping. Oh shit.
My game is getting over and jumping on it. There's a wall here.
Oh shit. You
Cheater!
you didn't see behind you.
Toxin screen down.
You see the special abilities on the bottom marked with C, Q, E,
One
and
enemy
X.
remaining.
You can actually use them. They'll recharge as in how you keep playing the game.
Player
You can
standing.
use them. Oh,
It's okay. Relax.
okay, chill, bro.
Stay with me, bro. You're leaving me, cornering me.
You know, guys, we should also do some Valorant sessions sometimes. You know, maybe you, me, we both can team up, have some fun online. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, and maybe we can plan some Valorant match sessions and maybe weekends or Sundays. Let me know. This will be like really fun. Okay, match has started. Where are you?
I'm here.
Stick with somebody.
I'm sticking with this guy, Professor.
Professor.
Where? Where did you spawn? They're killing me from back also. What should I do?
Okay,
Where?
go this side. Keep going.
Told him to stick with me.
Why will he stick with you? Okay, you're separated now. You're alone. Easy target. Don't keep looking over there. Oh, somebody came. Run.
Run.
Where are you going? Keep running. And also keep looking left and right. You never know from where people
One
will
enemy
come.
remaining.
Okay, don't die. Go up. F. Go up. F. Very good.
30 seconds
There's
left.
only one enemy.
Spike planted.
Spike planted. He didn't die.
His gun.
Pick the gun.
How? Oh.
Okay, now you got a better gun. Nice, good job.
Come on.
Last player
Oh
standing.
shit.
He's there here. He killed professional wins. I'm a joke.
He killed the professor. I'm so sorry, professor. I thought you'll stick with this gun. He's on the left. He's on the left side. Don't go there. Where are you going? You'll die.
You're not letting
Oh,
me
shit.
take weight, no?
He's over there. He's on the other side. Oh shit.
will not kill my allies.
Clutch.
What's a clutch?
What's a clutch, guys? I also don't know.
Just let them
That was also cheating.
I guess that was a tie.
Okay. No, they won, I think.
No, we got a point. Both of us got a point.
Weak point is me.
Be with your teammates. Don't get separated.
They're just not
Oh
waiting.
shit. Oh, enemies aboard.
Oh,
shit.
no. Time to go back. Oh!
Come on. As soon as he come, you need to keep firing and keep
Spike
moving.
down B.
Take the gun. Take the damn gun.
Last player standing.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Oh no.
All your teammates' hopes are on you.
Spike planted.
Spike planted. I don't think you can survive this. 4 against 1. Impossible for a new player.
Is
But
that
see-
my footstep or someone else?
But seriously, everybody died? I
Why
guess
is it so lonely?
because only you're there from your team. That's why.
Where should I go?
Keep looking. Okay. Oh Come on, you can actually do this.
Ah, there are group. There are group.
Oh shit. Somebody knocked you out from behind.
Mister, stay with me, unprofessor. What's your name? One professor, one unprofessor.
No way. Why are you shooting? Good job. Good job. You at
Spike
least-
down B.
Somebody died. Good job.
Ah! Don't jinx it.
Spike spotted.
Take the gun. Take that damn gun.
Take it. How? Chalo.
Oh,
I came to that fellow so that he'll protect.
Last player standing.
why did you die? Both of us.
I thought I had it. I just.
Wait, I'll try this one.
Okay,
Now, I'm not saying that I'm a professional
Stick to your
player.
roles and we'll crush it.
I play very rarely, but at least I'm a bit experienced than my sister. So let me try this one out. But guys, I have
Hey,
to say,
he threw something. Take it fast.
hey, that's a waste one I already have. I have to say, guys, Valorant is very tough. See, unlike Fortnite and PUBG now, you don't have bots in this game. All are like professional, genuine players, and it's very difficult hitting them. Acha, any professional Valorant player watching this video? How many hours do you play every day to get perfection and stuff like that? How do you guys get?
Continuously play 1 hour and get used to it.
Oh shit!
Oh.
I'm at the brink of death.
Oh. See.
I killed one! Yes! See, yeah. So that is how you actually play the
Again
game.
we did.
But I think I'll die if somebody hits me now. Because come on, I only have like 20 health. How do I improve my health, man?
20th clear. Oh.
Shit, man.
I'm saying your spot is perfect. Don't leave it.
No! I don't see anybody. Why is it
10
so
seconds
silent?
left.
10 seconds left and then we'll
Spike planted.
I saw somebody.
If you stay there, he'll see you and
You're
kill you.
dead.
He also saw.
See, he's going face to
Last
face.
player
That guy.
standing.
Ah, he came out. He came out.
Shit,
Told
man.
you, don't leave. He came out.
Shit.
He saw you.
I thought of going behind him and killing, but
I told
somebody
you.
came from back and killed me. But still, at least we got one kill, so I'm a bit happy about that.
Yeah, it was good.
Okay, we are done with 6 matches. We still have like 7 matches to go. And we are on the losing side.
Don't leave me.
No, we are on the losing side. Very fun and interesting game. You get like totally involved when
Why
you
did
play
I
this.
stay with her when that 3 people Where?
He already killed him.
Nice.
Go take the gun. You'll get a better gun.
It's okay. I'll stay with her.
You don't want the gun?
One enemy remaining.
Okage, move. Okage is
Spike
saying
down
move.
B.
Where should I move?
She sent a hawk.
E, what's E? What's that?
Take the gun. Take the gun. Please.
I can't see him.
We won the match. Thanks to Hokage, we won the match. You did nothing.
Hey, I have a nice gun. Move.
That is not you. That is your teammate.
Then why is it moving when I move? Okay, just
No,
take
this
some-
is a buy phase.
What's buy fee? Buy fee.
That means you can actually buy guns using money, I guess.
Help me, give me some money. I don't have. I'll buy.
Where is all your money going? Matlab, snacks, food, cosmetics, makeup items, clothes. Now you're saying you don't have money. Oh shit! Oh shit! That was crazy! You could have killed him! Why did he come so silently?
I couldn't hear his footsteps. Did he remove his shoes?
On the right, bro. On the right, bro. On the right. Now he's on the left. He's on the left! Oh!
Superb.
30
What's your
Good
name?
job.
left.
Good job.
One
Last
enemy
eight.
remaining.
Oh my god.
Spike planted.
This guy is crazy. Not bad. I think he's using a headphone. Like, how could he? Oh, we lost it.
Ah,
You did not use your special ability at least
I
once
used.
also. What did you do?
I used this E.
Acha, speed dash.
Ah. Is it open?
The match has started. What are you doing?
I'm sticking to him.
Oh. You need to be silent and you need to listen to the footsteps. Actually guys, these sort of games now are recommended to play using headphones, because you can actually detect like enemy movements, enemy footsteps, and you can know the direction from where the enemy is coming. But right now we
Spike
can't do that
planted.
because we both are playing and involved in the game and shooting the video also now. So if we put the headphone, only one person can hear what is happening. That's why we are not using that.
Did you kill him?
He's dead. Take the gun. Take the gun. Take the gun.
Don't even start that shit.
I won.
Hey, cool gun. We won the match. We won the match.
See, if you win a match and have a nice weapon, you're continuing.
Yes, the gun carries over to your next round.
You stay with me. Someone stay.
Somebody's there. Somebody's there. You got it.
Down B.
You had a nice gun.
Spike's B.
She took my gun.
Player standing.
One person is still there.
Come on, Hokage. You can do this.
Hokage, I believe you.
Hawk out. Blinded. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
30 seconds left.
Perfect one enemy.
That's done.
Yeah. Okay, I wanna try this one.
I'm out of stuff.
Okay. Now this time she is not giving me the mouse. Keep this in mind, guys. Last time you all people complained in my PS5 video that I was not giving the joystick to my sister.
ready.
Somebody is behind you. I told you. Oh shit! You came too close to him. You were ambushed. He's dead. He's dead. Go take the gun. Take the gun.
People are there. Someone is there. Okay. I think I should predict it.
One enemy remaining.
This is the moment of the video, guys. My sister actually killed one person.
How should I chase them?
Last player standing.
You lost.
I wasn't changing gun.
You didn't. Oh shit.
It's okay.
So I think now you're a bit happy. You at least killed somebody in the whole match.
Bro, give that gun, no? If you throw, I'll exchange. Bro! Ah, yes, I'm talking to you. Ah, throw, just throw.
What are you doing? That is not.
That's done.
I wish there was some revive option.
Revive. Sage has an option to heal herself. Like,
Herself?
yeah, not like unless you're completely
How
dead.
many people are there?
Alright, so this is the last round of this match, guys. The match point, and we're at 12 points, and these guys, the opponents, are at 10.
Don't
And
hold back.
if we win this thing, we'll actually win the whole game. Let's all play like a team. I don't want to get, separated. Keep following the team and also look back. And guys, she's actually playing nice, right, for a new player. Not bad, I'd say. Look this side.
Oh,
Somebody's down. Somebody's down.
Target down.
I don't want this match point to, go and extend into one more round. They're dead. Go take their gun.
Careful now. Someone's in attacker spawn.
Last player
Shit.
standing.
We lost the match point. Now those guys
We
are
move
equal
as
to
a
us.
unit, okay?
No, we got one more
Last
match
thing I
point.
need is some hero messing things up.
I hope we really win this game. We are very close to winning. Come on, people. Only one person to kill. Don't stay near the spike. And we actually won!
Attackers win.
This
Okay,
is
I didn't do
awesome.
anything but
Guys, victory is ours. Okay, I admit that you didn't contribute much to the players and the team, but still.
no.
But still, she's a new player, so that is quite acceptable. Anyways, at the end we won, right? That is important. That's it. So guys, that is it for today. Sheetal's first Valorant gameplay. So what do you think about the game?
It was cool and tough.
It was very intense, right? And very tough also, right? Yeah. So when I played my first Valorant match, I definitely lost. I don't know how you somehow won. I think our teammates were like really professionals and experienced players. For the next coming days, practice a bit and then we'll do one more session, and that time we'll see how much you've improved. And that time what I'll do, instead of this simple laptop, I'll give you like a 360 hertz gaming monitor, pair that with a powerful gaming beach that will have like a Ryzen 9, pair that with something like an RTX 3080 or
Oh my God.
3090.
Now I should definitely practice.
Yeah, that time I'll see how much performance improvement or gameplay improvement is there when you play it out.
Yeah.
So that's it for today, guys. Our fun gameplay video on Valorant. I hope you all enjoyed and had fun with us. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more new awesome videos. And we'll see you all in our next one.
Bye.